Yo guys, how are you? So today I am back with my Indian bikes driving 3D and today I will show you my own car showroom. So you don't have to make it. It's so simple. Can you see this all? And near this there is a new building of car showrooms that is empty. So I think that I'll park my car by my own self. So this is our Fortuner, this is our Bugatti, this is our Legender, Scorpio and Thar. So let's begin to the next showroom. Okay, so here is our new showroom, and this is Lamborghini V12 police car and Lamborghini Rolls Royce. So if you like my car showroom, so please like and subscribe and comment. And I am telling you this again that this is, do you know this place? This building you can see, right? So you have to go near this and you will find your car showroom. So if you like my car showroom, I said like, subscribe, comment, and bye guys. Love you all.